The Yeezys just keep on coming, guys. This is my unboxing and on-feet review of the Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Cloud White. I recently just did an unboxing and on-feet review of the Citrin, so make sure that you watch that after watching this video. I will put a link to that one down below. And make sure that you stay until the very end of the video because I'll also be comparing the Cloud White with the Citrin so you can figure out which one you should buy. Let's go! I was able to pick this pair up thanks to our collaboration with Soul Academy. Soul Academy is one of the best sneaker lifestyle streetwear stores here in Manila. So make sure that you guys check them out. I love their pop-up store right now, which is located over at BGC High Street. So again, if you're in the area, drop by, say hello, buy some sneakers, and enjoy yourself while you're there. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White. And as you can see, it's the typical Yeezy box with the 350 logo, Yeezy Boost over here, details of the shoe over here. The most striking thing about it, just like the Citrin, is the price. It's now selling for 13,000 pesos. Before, it used to sell for 11,500 here in the Philippines. So there is a price hike. Inflation is real. So if you slide the box open, ba-bam, this is what the sneaker looks like. What is Cloud White? Well, I was traveling actually recently and it's kind of apt because while I was on the plane, I kept on looking out the window and checking out all the scenery of the skies, the clouds, the heavens. It's the closest thing you can get to, like, I don't know, like space or whatever. But anyway, what is Cloud White? Cloud White is actually an off-white or a creamy version or a yellowish warm version of white. And it's actually one of the most popular whites that's used in furniture design, interior design, painting your house, and stuff like that. Designers call it an ethereal version of white. And ethereal, to those who don't know, basically means otherworldly beauty or something like that. Very soft, very beautiful, and you know, that. So if you take a look at it, I'm not sure if that will evoke that ethereal feeling, but yeah, you guys get the point. Now, I actually showed the sneaker to a few friends, including Calling of Hype Geek, and one of the things that he mentioned was he was expecting it to be more white, like nearer towards the cream whites or the whites of the statics. And I think if it went that direction, it would be a totally big mistake on the side of Kanye West because it would just be too close to two other sneakers that he already released previously. The great thing about going towards the Cloud White color is just like what I mentioned earlier, is that it's a warmer version of white, it's a more off-white white, it's a more sale version of white, which I feel is a little bit more wearable and you know, kind of different compared to your super clean whites. Now, if you take a closer look at the sneaker, you have that beige creamy stripe here along the lateral side. You have that prime knit upper with the Cloud White design, as well as shades of blue interwoven into the fabric. You have the midsole over here, that familiar 350 Boost ribcage type of sole, aka the Thanos chin. And then if you look down the outsole, you see the Boost over here, which of course delivers that excellent cushioning and comfort that we look for when it comes to Yeezy sneakers. Now, how is the sneaker on feet? Now, just like other Yeezy 350 Boost V2s, it's ridiculously comfortable, and that has always been one of the selling points of the Yeezy Boost 350s and the 350 V2s. It's really more on the comfort, the cushioning, the overall hotel slippers experience with the prime knit just wrapping around the top of your feet as if like a cloud light experience. Now, when it comes to on feet and styling, the fact that it is a warmer kind of white with shades of blue makes it very easy to wear. If you're wearing jeans, it should work well, regardless if it's dark colored or blue, you know, the usual blue kind of jeans. If you are wearing joggers, be it grays or blacks or whatever kind of color, especially neutral tones, even with grays, it would still pop. And that, I think, is really the magic of this pair of kicks. It's really the color allows itself to be very versatile, easy to wear. So at the end of the day, your peso per wear on this one is pretty good. You pay 13,000 for it, you get to wear it often, you get to wear it a lot. Unlike other sneakers that are so ridiculously loud, but you don't get to wear them often because they will just keep on turning heads and they will keep on getting attention. Now, the question is, should you buy the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White? Now, my review is kind of late because the actual drop and the actual release is already done, and chances are you'll only be able to buy it at resale. And the resale on this, well, sneaker is kind of high right now, which is kind of weird because I thought it wouldn't be as high as it is today. Now, having said that, I would actually recommend that you just wait it out. I mean, wait for the next Yeezy that will drop that you can have a chance to buy for retail versus paying resale for the shoe. Because the good thing about Yeezys these days, and it's also a good thing and a bad thing, is that Kanye West is releasing multiple colorways of the 350s, the 700s, the 700 V2s, and even the Yeezy 350 V3 is on its way. So it's just a matter of time before you're able to become lucky, and you should be able to cop a Yeezy that's the color that you want to wear. So again, if you will be paying resale for it, I'm not too sure if you should do that. With the flooding of Yeezys coming out of Adidas and Kanye West, it is really just wiser to bide your time, try joining raffles, and if you win and you can buy one for retail, then go ahead and buy it. But if it's going to be buying for resale, only pull the trigger if you really love the color and the shoe, and all the other sneakers coming are sneakers that you would pass up on. By the way, I forgot to mention, the infant and kid version of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White is still sitting on shelves over at Soul Mini. Soul Mini is like the infant/kid sneaker store of Soul Academy, which is just along BGC High Street, which is near their pop-up store. So if you want to buy hype kicks for your kids, check them out. The only issue is that they are selling for a lot. I mean, they're not a lot of stocks. They are pricey. The Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White for kids is like 8,000 pesos, which is, whew, considering your kid will probably outgrow it in a few months, that's a big investment. So unless you're going to do it for like a special photo shoot, or you want to capture a special moment or a special type of photo, I would really recommend doing that. I mean, buying it, because it is really just pricey. But hey, if you want to capture like a specific moment and make a picture, print it, frame it, and whatever, then that's probably the only reason why you should pick one up. Now, before we end the vlog, I want to do a quick comparison between the Citrin and the Cloud White, because people felt that they were kind of similar, when in fact, they are super far from similar. Because if you take a look at the Citrin, you have that warm beige or creamy type of yellow color over here. If you take a look at the Cloud White, it's really more of that warm white with the bluish white on the top. So it's really far from, what they're really far from one another. So if you like something that's easy to wear, if you like something that's more on the white side, then obviously you go with the Cloud White. If you want something that will turn heads, if you want something that's more on the brown/yellow side, then you go with the Citrin. That's pretty much it. It really depends on your personal taste and preference. Personally, if you ask me, I like the Citrin more just because I have so many white sneakers already, and this just adds more variety to my current collection. Maybe if I didn't have a lot of sneakers in the first place, I would probably go with the Cloud White, because they're just so much more versatile and they are so much easier to wear. And with that said, that wraps up our review and unboxing of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cloud White. Guys, if you missed my review and unboxing of the Citrin, please do check it out. I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as pinned in the comment section. With that said, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. That's it for now. Shout out again to Soul Academy, guys. Follow them on Instagram so that when they release new Yeezys, you know the mechanics and you can join raffles. People keep saying that it is so hard and it is impossible to buy sneakers, Yeezys, here in the Philippines for retail unless you have like backdoor connections and stuff like that. That is really not true. All you have to do is keep on trying, keep on joining raffles. In fact, I bought Yeezys multiple times in retail without having to partner with certain shops or certain brands. I remember walking into a shop before and the Zebras were just sitting there. I remember walking into a shop and the 700s were just sitting there. I mean, there were so many instances where I picked up a Yeezy for retail. So it's not as hard as you think. All you have to do is keep trying, keep joining the raffles, and you should be fine. Anyway, I'm rambling too much. Guys, that's it for now. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.